hotspot.
Severe infections.
Coronavirus hospitalizations.
Front lines here in the U.S.
COVID cases.
Positivity rate.
Transmission.
Coronavirus.
Global health emergency.
Community spread.
Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Coronavirus.
My fellow Americans, tonight I want to speak with you about our nation's unprecedented response to the coronavirus outbreak that started in China and is now spreading throughout the world.
This is a global crisis that has affected every one of our lives.
Part of the reason we're here today is to let you know that we are thinking ahead and will continue to do everything we need to do to keep Massachusetts safe and prepared.
Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic.
FEMA's mission is to support people before, during, and after disaster. And the rubric that I think is overarching that makes it agnostic in terms of political measures is everything is locally executed, state managed, and federally supported.
We know many of you left your own practices, jobs, and families to assist in this civilian effort. You mobilized quickly and fully and integrated into the operations at the alternate care site in the BCAT, so-called Boston Hope. And you did offer us hope.
FEMA's role for the months of May and June is to provide logistical support for swabs and media to state-identified warehouses.
In March, FEMA Region 1's logistics team quickly set up operations in this 86,000 square foot regional warehouse space.
We're receiving some of the largest requests for resources our agency has ever experienced. For the first time ever, all of us are doing this remotely.
This team will help get at least 100 million COVID vaccine shots into the arms of the American people in the first 100 days. 100 million shots in the first 100 days.
The pandemic has only brought us that much closer together with a common unseen enemy, working together with extraordinary plum and camaraderie.
The efforts that you've put in over the past year, I can't even measure them. When you go to work from 9 to 5, you come in, you sit at your desk, you do your job, you go home. That doesn't exist anymore. In a telework environment, you are always on the clock. And you know what? I don't think that there's been 3 people over the past year that I've called after hours and they didn't answer the phone.
I also want to recognize some of the unsung heroes, including all the work of the folks managing COVID operations on FEMA Region Number 1. I know that you have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to procure and deliver personal protective equipment for our medical personnel, and you established COVID testing solutions. You deployed federal medical personnel to medical facilities and coordinated federal vaccine support. On behalf of my entire family and the entire Patriots organization, we thank you very, very much, and we will continue rooting for your continued success, because remember, we are all patriots.
And I couldn't be prouder of the work that we do here and we continue to do every single day.